Coorpcast, Episode 3, Explainable AI.
Hello, we hereby confirm reception of your CV for the position of Chief of Operations. Unfortunately, we cannot give a favorable response to your application. Please do not submit a new one. The IHR, Intelligent Human Resources Department, wishes you the best of luck.
Okay, we'll grant you that this fake automatic rejection message slightly overstates the case. But don't you think that somehow it reflects the decision-making process of the artificial intelligence models around us? Whether it's the rejection of our job application or of our bank loan, without further ceremony, we are increasingly confronted with the choices made by machine and deep learning algorithms. Machines are increasingly assisting humans in their decision-making, from recruitment to medical diagnosis, or from the confirmation of loan and insurance applications to autonomous driving. But what happens when the person concerned wishes to understand or dispute the outcome? How can artificial intelligence be made intelligible?